Greetings, music makers. I'm Dr. Cayari, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you some case studies about musicians who collaborate with others online using a DIWO disposition, or do it with others. If you'd like to read more about this theory, where it came from, and other ways of making music online, links to my research and other videos are available in the description box below. As you watch, please comment about anything that you've learned and feel free to share any DIWO projects you've done. So without further ado, let's get ready to learn.
The internet is a performance venue used by musicians to share their art with audiences, and joint ventures online help people cultivate musical relationships with others in exciting and innovative ways. Kurt Hugo Schneider has amassed over 13 million subscribers on his YouTube channel by being the link that connects online musicians together. This video documentary looks at musicians who DIWO, or do it with others, a disposition that combines DIY and collaboration. Julien Neel, a French singer who loves barbershop music, started using the free digital audio workstation Audacity to mix nearly 200 videos, which have earned him 48 million views on his YouTube channel. I want to spoon to my honey, I'll croon loves to. Over 30% of his videos are collaborations with musicians from different countries. The only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together. By doing it with others, Julien broadens his audience, works with diverse talent, and learns from others with similar interests. DIWO helps Julien continue old friendships and cultivate new ones. In this video, he performs with Richard, a pianist from his college days, and Melody, a young YouTube creator he wanted to mentor. While collaboration usually takes more time than making a solo video, DIWO is fun for Julien and allows him to play with video editing and storytelling, giving the audience a variety of characters to look at. And even though collaborators record their contributions at different places and times, it does not stop them from thinking about what their performance might look like if they were on the same stage. From online barbershop quartets to small virtual choirs, Julien loves using technology to bring singers from across the world together. Together, they can make the music they love, from performing choral octavos to arranging music inspired by their favorite hobbies. The online video game community is full of amazing creators who produce covers of their favorite music. This is Amie Waters, who formerly went by the name Ace Waters, celebrating her annual tradition of Zelda Month. Amie uses her synthesizer, sequencing, and editing skills to create backing tracks that are used to accompany her collaborators. She believes that her friends help her bring her music making to the next level. Amie gives her collaborators ambitious deadlines. Tara, the violinist seen here, says collaboration deadlines are good peer pressure because they push me to make sure that I get things done. Working with others makes me want to record until everything is perfect to make sure that they have the utmost quality product for their mix. DIWO allows musicians to take on joint endeavors with friends as they synergize off of each other's successes. For example, Amie and her friend Rich released a double album of covers, each featuring their own take on a popular video game. Rich and Amie also formed an online band with their friends Josiah and Austin. However, Amie admitted, while nothing beats working in the same room with someone, online collaboration is just a different way to express ourselves. The band Disco Cactus formed offline, but the members interact with the video game community online, and have developed a hybrid music-making model that includes both online and offline performances. Here they are on the main stage of MagFest, the music and gaming festival, expanding their numbers to feature people cultivated from their online musical connections. DIWO techniques have also been used by the Smule App, which recruits famous artists to create karaoke collaborations. This easy-to-use app allows fans to sing with their musical heroes while staring into the camera and waiting their turn. Whether using free mobile apps or professional-level software, there is an abundance of ways people can collaborate over the internet as musicians do it with others.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to comment below on anything that you learned from this video. And while you're there, why don't you share any examples that you have of yourself doing DIWO projects online? If you want to know more about DIY, DIWO, and DIFO, click the Learn video up there. If you want to join me in some DIWO music making action, click on the Create button, and if you want to make sure you never miss a new video, click on my face down below. Until next time, keep on making music.